But then you couldn't.
Well, it really is the snowstorm everyone's been talking about, isn't it?
Yes. Des, if I record you from the balcony, then I can record.
I'm in shorts, baby.
in snow.
Oh, it's colder than I thought it was. Never mind.
Come on, you gotta get some snow
shit.
on you, bro.
The snow on the door.
Gets.
You friggin' throw it at me. I regret even thinking about running outside in shorts. You know what? I'll get my pair of jeans and I'll do it. I'm going to do it. I need to. I'm not getting snow pants. It is February 23rd of the year 2026. And this is what it looks like. And I'm about to run around my house in slides. Got my lucky belt on. Oh, you can't see it. Never mind. Whatever. Oh, goodbye, Dexter. See you later. Look at this shit, man. You can't even see. Yes, you can. Oh. Oh my. I don't think I can run around the house, actually. Shit. I lost the shoe. I lost both shoes. I'm running back in the house. I'm running back in the house.
Did you give up already?
I lost my shoes. I lost my shoes. They're covered in snow.
Where are your shoes? Where's sneakers or boots, bro?
Oh my god. I'm going back out. I'm going back out.
Yeah, go get your
It's not even that cold, which is weird. I'm scared. Why is it not cold? I'm putting my shoes on right now, and I'm going. Oh shit! Snow got on my camera. I'm not even making this up. I'm not even making this up. Okay. Oh shit! They're slipping off. Oh. Bro, look, no, they're coming off again. I'm not even making this up. I'm getting my Crocs. I'm getting my Crocs. They'll come off less. Pit stop. Pit stop. Where are my Crocs? Where am I? Ruby, no! Don't go outside. It's so freaking cold. Ruby, out. Where are my Crocs? There they are. Look at my Crocs, finally.
Bro, you're.
Stop. She's licking my paw.
Mom was watching you on the camera.
Wait, I'm gonna put them into the mode that makes it so that they don't slip off. Like, so, boom, right? That's. Oh my god. I'm bringing a light.
So you're going in the front yard first?
I'm going everywhere, man. I'm going
Yeah, but
everywhere.
where are you going first?
I'm not even cold. I'm not even joking. Oh wait, you're not. I don't need the. Oh my god. There's snow all over my screen. No, it's all over my camera. I lost the shoe. I can't even see it. Oh wait, where is my shoe? Shit. Wait, where? I can't find it. I'm gonna kick around until I found it. Oh. No. I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to. Oh, I see it. Oh my god. Oh, it's filled. Oh shit. Oh my god. No, I'm just gonna go around. I lost the shoe again. I didn't even put my gloves on, actually. I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, it's all over my screen. Hi, dog. I'm gonna put my gloves on, chill. Can you?
Just go around in socks, bro.
No. Can you wipe my screen off?
He's eating out of your shoes.
Oh my god.
Can
Can you wipe my... Wait, where are my gloves?
You
Oh,
want
there they
me
are.
to wipe heel on it?
Yeah. Please do. Thank you. You're in history.
Congratulations, you're in history in my phone in a video.
Cool. 4 minutes long. I don't think I can post this on TikTok anymore.
Make a new one where you go around the whole way.
Wait, no, there's those like half an hour long freaking drama videos. I'll be able to post this today, Are we out?
I'm gonna record you
Great.
and send it to Trend.
Great. Yeah, these are my options.
Yeah, wear one of them. Slide your feet back in the Crocs. You know what? Wear my Crocs.
Give me another layer of socks.
Another one? I don't have socks.
Did I just run out? I'm gonna run out.
Wear my Crocs. They're smaller.
I'm wiping my socks off and I'm going back out.
My Crocs won't fall off.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait. Go up to Darcy's room and ask for my old slides. You know the black ones? Get them. You're my only hope. I'm just gonna tape these two videos together. 1 second. Okay, I decided that this POV is going to be more interesting. No, you can't go inside. I'm going outside. I'm letting myself out. Out. Great. Oh shit. No, dog. I'm going back around. Oh, this is free. Oh, this is a dead end. Oh wait, I gotta use this light. I already kind of made a path out front, so I'm going back out. Oh, it's starting to kick in the cold. Oh damn! I just dropped the whole. Oh, no, I lost those shoes now. I put it on. Oh my god, I like that again. What am I gonna do? Oh no, the other one's living up. Oh. You know, frig, I'm taking the other shoe off and I'm grabbing them both. Let me in.
Wear my Crocs. They won't fall off.
Where are they?
They're in here. In my cupboard. Where my shoes are.
Where are they?
Under my shoes in my
My
cubby.
feet are like really cold.
I can tell.
Oh my god.
Okay, so they should be here.
Really?
Yes. They should be smaller.
These
Therefore, they
idiot.
won't.
These look identical to my Crocs.
They're smaller.
Maybe they are. Yeah. Maybe they aren't.
They should be.
I'm so freaking good. I don't regret this.
They're in
again.
sports mode, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The one where it's out behind your feet.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, there's the other. I'm gonna put that one down. Okay, I got this. I'm literally making a path. Every time I come back, I go farther. Last time. Oh my god. Everything. Oh, I gotta pay attention. This is Slim Desi's guide how to survive in the wilderness. Oh wait, I made it to the backyard. It's a desolate wasteland. Oh, I lost a shoe and I can't even. Oh, wait, I think I see it. Oh, that's my leg. Damn it. Oh, I found it. Why is my screen doing that? I can still make it. I'm not going to fail. I can make it. Oh. Stop recording me. Oh shit. I'm holding my crock in one hand and the phone and the flashlight in the other. So you'll probably understand why I can't record good shots. And now I'm carrying this shit. I'm going uphill. Oh, I just touched something with my leg. I see it. The door. Oh my god. I can't feel my feet. Oh, okay. Okay.
Yo, you want to see what it looks like?
I can't feel my feet. My precious feet. How am I gonna make money? There's only fans.
Oh my god.
This is the house I'm in. This is the thing I'm in. I'm gonna put myself in honest use control for a while. Help me a whole hell of a lot. Oh. Oh. Okay, bye.